Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Samsung Galaxy A10. Start by going into Play Store on both devices and clicking on the search bar. Following that, you need to type Send Anywhere and download this free app from this developer. Then click on Open. Now you can click on I accept, confirm, continue and allow in order to continue. Then select Send on an Android and Receive on A10. After that, you need to select all of those dots and choose Send in order to send all of your data. It will take a while though, so I will go into Photos categories, select one of them and tap on Send, just for example. Now click on Got it, and over here we have two connection ways. You can input this key 44341 and just receive or scan QR code. If you wish to scan it, click on the scanning icon over here. Come on. And tap on Allow. Then point your camera at the QR code and wait. As you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. If you wish to check it out for sure though, you can always go into, for example, My Files app. Click on, in this case, Images and look for Send Anywhere folder. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!